Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to prevent access to the command prompt in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To prevent access to the command prompt in Windows 10 computer, go to search. In search type gp edit. Now hit enter. Local group policy editor has been opened. Under user configuration, expand administrative template. Now click on system, scroll down. Here you will find an setting, prevent access to the command prompt. Right click on it and click on edit. Now not configured is selected. Just select enabled and click on apply and click on OK. Close local group policy editor. Now right click on start menu, click on run. In run type gp update /force. Now click on OK. Policy is updating. Now I am trying to open command prompt. In search type cmd and hit enter. And here look, the command prompt has been disabled by your administrator. Press any key to continue. Now command prompt is disabled on my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.